The art of concluding, mastering summarization in speeches. Hello learners, welcome back to our series on public speaking and presentation skills. In this video, we are focusing on a vital component of public speaking, concluding your speech effectively. Specifically, we'll be delving into the technique of summarizing key points. This technique is all about making your speech memorable and impactful. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to understand why summarizing key points is essential. A good summary reinforces the main ideas you've presented, making them more memorable. It also provides a clear, succinct review of your message for your audience. The summary provides closure to your speech, giving your audience the sense of a well-rounded and complete presentation. When it comes to summarizing key points, there are a few steps you should follow. 1. Identify the key points. Look at your presentation or speech and determine the most important points or arguments that you have made. 2. Prioritize your points. Arrange these points in order of their relevance and impact. This helps create a hierarchy, making your summary more effective. 3. Reiterate. Go through these points briefly, reiterating them in a clear and concise manner. Do not introduce any new points in the summary. It's time to consolidate what you've already said. 4. Connect the points. Finally, try to show how these points connect to one another and to the overall theme of your speech. This will help your audience to see the big picture. While the steps mentioned earlier will help you create a summary, here are some tips and tricks to make it more effective. Keep it short and sweet. A summary should be concise. Your aim is to remind your audience of what you've covered, not to reiterate everything in detail. Vary your language. Try not to use the exact same phrases or sentences you used in the main body of your speech. Use synonyms, paraphrase, and keep the language varied and interesting. Make it memorable. Use powerful words, a dramatic pause, or a compelling quote that encapsulates your main points. This can leave a lasting impression on your audience. And that wraps up our lesson on summarizing key points in speeches. Remember, a well-delivered conclusion that effectively summarizes your key points is the cherry on top of a great presentation. It reinforces your main arguments and makes your speech more memorable. So next time you're preparing a speech or presentation, don't forget to spend some quality time crafting a strong conclusion. Keep practicing and keep learning, and as always, we hope this video has been helpful. Until next time.